open and for Douala too. Make we open chapter now so for school where they don't close. I be say on automatic the week. It get for being at the last week for school them for close for enter for third term holiday. Other school them they be already start for close. Other school they already start for close. We go take una go for place where they call them say Manjo. Now for they will go start our work for Mongo division. We go work a small mamati for inside Manjo. For school for them, picking themselves, we hear say they don't dismiss, so they 117 picking them for seeker bad fashion for school. One day where they come for school, they know the baba their head and fine. One day where they put they throw oil for their head, they don't plait their head. One day where they smoke for inside school, better one them. They give them small dash for seeker say they don't put their head for book or the academic year. Other one them teacher themselves it they so they be congratulate them for the better work where they don't do and for that side, so they no be left teacher them just as well they be give that show teacher them. This one you see the picking it trusses it don't say fine now another picking this way come up for school it then now with his school uniform for a hand. This other one it don't wrap a trouser like some hunter man it way they go for bush. The one he own trusses it the tighty for show. See here see man where it go school see own kind beer where don't go shave them. So now all the kind of thing them where they make them they send someone there for by force pension. It means say they don't dismiss them for inside Manjo. See back where mommy they left picking them for take and go school. Back where you don't rot in see so one is skirt. You see skirt say you don't tear. The other one he own war hair where he go baba for take and go school. The one he own skirt he don't burn and fine with the iron. So they hold they Inokia. So now all the kind of thing them where it is so war hair baba where all thing where he make they don't send at least 117 picking them. All school too, school says for Manjo, in the beg semen gum na look for inside the palavam for sika say ceiling for that school says na big disgrace. Yes, ceiling na big disgrace. For that side for Loom, country people them, it be they too na big them as well they so they be the close school. For inside government school for Loom, we hear say at least 75 picking them too they be send them for dismiss for sika bad fashion for inside school. One day way they do thing the way they no be get for do and one day way they make follow only for inside school. So they send at least 75 them for back for house where it means say they no go turn back for government school for Loom. This one na palava Kasingo na head that way woman the plat for go school they say no yes they will tell you say holiday don't come. The one they kind of slippers for go for school. All the one they so call people them now anyway they talk say minister them for secondary education. Yes, Mami Pauline Nalova Lyonga you get for Nakia hand for table. So that all the kind of thing them will not go the same for inside our school. And Mami them all the thing that we don't show now. Trusses where you don't tear, skirts where you don't tear, picking the way they go school with the slippers, one the way they baba their head like say they dinner for inside dance house, all that kind of thing them. What back them? Mami them, I beg. When school starts, una try, una change. As I say, some of us will send the same thing them back for school when 2018-19 school year is start. But no, the better with that. Now, so we go here from two different people. Them first, head boy for PTA for school for Manjo and one of the teacher them for inside government school too for Manjo. They go tell we how the school year it pass and waiting way they want them.
Manjo don't fall. How we cafe no the worker. Manjo don't turn except for pay some more money we I pay the ask for begin for papa them and mammy them it won't plenty. Eating now later when they talk say election day before they see papa them and mammy them. But that way election no day they call them no man no they know the be careful. Now the problem we get them for lycée de Manjo. Lycée de Manjo get like 1,900 begin. But we get 13 enseignants permanents. We get 30 enseignants vacataires. 30 we appellent de supporter. But now them they take all some more money we papa them they give them. With the big government say make them try give we sep enseignants them for the year. If you know be so like we don't die for Manjo. Because money no there for Manjo. Manjo no there Manjo we been for all the time.
See when you work for you, especially, bien say parents do not follow picking them, do not follow education for picking them. See how as today, we don't give books and we don't give many prize. Picking them go holiday. Parents do not come, do not follow their picking them. We advise parents them, we ask them, to follow education of their children them, because education is the issue of parent and state and lycée.
Manjo don't fall, how we cafe.
Now, as so you don't hear that head boy for PTA, president for PTA for inside school for Manjo. Now only 13 teacher them where they dey for that school and governor they pay them. 30 teacher them they dey na for contract where means in a PTA. They look out that teacher them. Now the same condition, the same suffer way school for Lum 2 they suffer, the government school pass to them. Plenty teacher they did the way now only for contract they she done. No na governor teacher them where they the only she done for say make PTA money enter before they take look at them. So now so small thing them where governor SSF minister for college book again for start to check inside all that palaver them. Now sabi say even as we palaver them, e be then a time too for papa them, the PTA president, teacher them, for sure say before they be one old, them say they be being a young people them. Now so to the young people then to the talk for them say them they see get young blood for their skin. Now palaver for dance as we school they close. Make we see them. Yes, if glad it be there for that side for Manjo and even for Lum, even as well they be dismissed, plenty picking them for Sika Wawa fashion for school. Another people that way they hear about for this academic year will take on a go for place where they call them say Matuke na village where it dey for boundary with Moyoka, but it dey na for under Banga subdivision for Littoral. For that primary school where they call them say St. Alexi Primary School for that side so for Matuke. Then CSF they be here about for inside this school year. Now for Sika say waiting, for Sika say plenty mami them, they become for can come out, they are picking them for school. After they say gone, it the ever hala for Sika say they judge them for boundary with Moyoka way they for Sawe. So they will they be the close, it be then a day too, where a teacher them, they be try for beg, say me mami then say they try for look at this picking them as well they go for house and may they bring the picking them back. Now so to them to the beg, say me this palavam for Norway Saways, make it try for stop. For Sika say before school year will end, plenty of their picking them. They don't shiden them for house, they know they turn back again for school. For Sika gone where they hear them, where it the hala for that side so for Moyoka. As so I talk for now, Matuke it dey na for boundary for Moyoka, but it dey na for under Banga subdivision where it dey so for Mungo division. So picking themselves for St. Alexi, then to they don't go Walide. Now for Mami, then now so for look at them. Now so make we hear waiting way from one of the teacher them inside St. Alexi. He talk waiting it be their problem for academic year way age of finish.
Adena from Matuke village where they under Banga subdivision. And Matuke village just from some few kilometers from Muyuka. Now only Mungo River separate we and southwest. So we get problem here for our school because we are picking them all the time with the hear sound for gun for southwest. As we hear the sound for gun, parents them they need one send their picking them for school, picking them to they need one for come out for come for school, and they make school don't be empty. From that one number what we get time, it don't drop down to almost 100, and we will get plenty difficulties because the teachers and the teacher they would the private school na school to pay them, so we have plenty problem for that one. The government try to see to this problem. We say next year, anything they change. We get picking them for house and lack of security and problem too for this and from crisis. Or every day we hear psalm for God. Every day we hear psalm for God.
Yes, so now one of the teacher and that for inside the government or St. Alexis School, Jackie Nomolomtu be put a microphone for one of the mami them for inside that village, Matuke. Make we hear what you talk.
How they gone the way that they shoot and so they affect people for this side. Yes, it affect the school them for year. Because they fear now for go school. No know how next year go be. We want government to me government intervene for the problem.
Now prayer for all people them for Semen Gomna, he try for look inside the Palava. We go take una go for Bamenda for talk say first school living certificate and even certificate the two premier for we brother them for French side. It be pass fine for that side so for Bamenda and it be then a time to for my minister for primary school book for it to for take it eye. He see as we this speaking them they be the shidon for inside that exam for that side so for inside Bamenda con people them. Minister for primary school book, Ma Dijam, Ebide for Bamenda. Now for they will go for go see as well picking that they be the finish for write their exam. Sabi say inside the exam house herself, some picking the day where they become with their uniform, other one they become now with their house clothes them. Now for Sika this palava for Norwest and Sawen so the worry that side. But on top all the one them, Sabi say they picking the or they be common them plenty for last day where they be the write the exam. All man it be shidon for inside class for write exam. Police, gendarme, then too they be there for look out they picking them for say make no confusion no happen for them. Now so my minister for primary school book, she says it take it time small with the governor says for that side for Norwest, Oga Adolphe Lele Lafrique. All them they be take their time for enter for inside that government bilingual school for inside Bamenda day for see as we exam they happen they enter for all exam place and they talk say true the exam don't the work fine even as we fear it be day plenty for mami them their heart but minister it be tonto the glad plenty now they roll call and that as soon as they see and so the people there they be no come so one day na 5 so one day na 4 and other one them na 4 5 so now so we tonton see say absent for inside this chapter it be day plenty sabi say put them for Menchum and Boyo, some of them too they be bring them for different center them for go shidon for write this exam for government bilingual school complex Old Town Mancon for Bamenda. Now inside that waka way minister says it be waka for that side so for Bamenda corner side we see one of the corner side them where it be look out with plenty na this mami corner people them where he says it be the try for cover a face we no sabi why mami be the cover a face whether na fear it be there for a mind no ask me but mami it be the shidon it the wait na say make a pikin finish write the exam one time a carry a pikin he go back for house so mami just the cover a face he no sabi who be who. Then business says it be there plenty sabi say Bamenda plenty people that don't the lost business so it be there na some small ngando for them to for say business. Mami minister it be take it time free it tonton it salute people them no man no be there for say no salute no or they push people them mami minister take it time salute all that people them now so to Oga Governor Adolphe Lele Lafrique it be the job worker talk with the people them it talk with them laugh with them simple no nothing no they worry so it be then a big day and for the people there where they be get opportunity for touch minister in hand and for touch governor in hand. No be na all kind of man they touch the people their hand. So when they touch them, it means say they no go wash their hand no. They no go wash their hand. They say they don't touch governor in hand, they don't touch a minister in hand. You understand? World Cup now today it go start. And for that side so we talk for Russia today 4 o'clock Cameroon time first Ndamba get for pass. We na Russia, he go the knock Ndamba with Saudi Arabia. But before Ndamba say one starts with Spain tomorrow, Sabi say Spain, he don't get na new coach. The coach will be fit qualify Spain for take and go the World Cup. Now the Padiman that's where they call it say Julian Lopetegi. They don't movie, they don't come out for work. By first pension where they give him for him. Now for Sika say coach, he no be respect commandia. He go sign say he go the be like coach for Real Madrid after we World Cup finish. He no even wait say may World Cup finish, he go sign another better contract for Sika say do he be there for day. Now so to Spain their own Ndamba Federation to a sign book, a commodity per the man one time for change. He talk say that one now for bring confusion inside Lahoha wey e dey so for that side for Russia, wey dey struggle for say make they take that cup as wey they be taken for 2010. So this party man, he own new person where they don't bring am for day na Fernando Hierro. Na he say he go be like Spain their new big man, a coach for inside World Cup. Sabi say Spain they go knock Ndamba tomorrow for evening time with Portugal. Na better Ndamba that wey no man no get for miss am. So for inside chapter for World Cup, we go take una go for Russia just now for talk say Egypt they don't turn back again for make their training. Mohamed Salah you dey see am na way they touch hand so Egypt people them sabi say na dem go be the first African country where they go enter for Ndamba tomorrow the Egypt they dey na for group A but na only one Ndamba day today. So Egypt they go meet up with Luis Suarez, their Ndamba they will meet up with Luis Suarez in country where they call and say Uruguay tomorrow. So Egypt they don't get their number 2 training for that side so for Russia. Now so we see country this afternoon. Make we enter now so for small Toriwe newspaper that they get them for we for today. The Guardian Post where it dey for our side today, it dey try for tell we say waiting as we vote for get president the come for country. Them too they don't talk say something them inside that we election commander book. They say something them someone the day commander the day for the way a day so they get for go check am shaking and find again better before confusion a come up for this. So for inside the Guardian Post they tell we as well some former big man from Gomna where he thief money. He don't talk say he go give country back 500 million for money where he be don't thief am. Inside the Guardian Post says you feel read to him where he consign some man says where he dey so he want divorce with a woman. Now for sake waiting the Guardian Post he get that story plus even chapter from Ndamba where he don't start today. The Post weekend that says he dey for outside he dey tell say waiting minister says he don't talk for Kamamburu people then say waiting say if they dis also shoot if they dis also do some kind of thing that one e no go help for solve this problem for terrorism where it dey happen for inside country. The Post weekend that to the tell we for inside tori say plenty pikin there now they don't flop for road for Yawende where they dey make business after where they go for holiday. They tell you to as we gone people them they be enter for some school for where they dey write GC. So now so we see country for this afternoon. Ambassador go turn back for some time tomorrow, but other to read them they go continue for pass for Equinox Story Arts. Una hold am tight.